Welcome to the Quick Trade Bytes. Before we start, please read the disclaimer that there is a high degree of risk involved in any type of the trading, and the information and analysis we're providing in this trade byte is only for the educational purpose, and it is not a recommendation or advice of any sort. If you need legal advice or financial advice, please seek your financial advisor. Thanks. Once we get the disclaimer out of the way, now let's start what we are looking here. We have sorted all our symbol on the scanner based on the symbols, and they are in ascending order. The trade which I am looking is Canada Swiss franc, and the reason why it's actually bring my attention here is because I can see two breakout 4 trades on Canada Swiss franc, weekly short and the daily in the upside. What does it mean? That if I can see these two conflicting information or conflicting trade in the opposite direction with the same kind of a number of the bar, that's mean that I should be able to trade long, which is a counter trade of the weekly time frame. And once that trade is over, then I can actually go back to the weekly time frame and go continue into the trade direction of whatever the time frame at that time or whatever the direction suggests. So looking into this one, let's now start looking into the charts. This is our weekly chart, and this is where we got our breakout 4 trade. As you can see right up here, market actually come down and now it is starting to go up again. I'm expecting an upper red semaphore here. It's not a high probability, but I'm actually expecting an upper red semaphore to give us a failed snapback of this noble semaphore. Once we get a failed snapback, then it means this market needs to come down for at least a lower yellow semaphore or the then opposing noble semaphore at least. So this is the kind of the trade, the short trade we are looking into the weekly time frame. Now look at the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, your long trade for the breakout 4 is here. The market has moved up, come down, and now has gone up and crossed all the moving averages. So I can expect an upper yellow semaphore here. My expectation that upper yellow semaphore will come a gap between this trend line and this semaphore right up here around, and that should actually give us something about 50 or 60 pips trade. The green bungee needs to go a long way to come to the upper reversal phone to fulfill the requirement for the upper yellow semaphore if we manage to get it anytime sooner. So expect this market to move higher, and if this is a true breakout 4 going back here, then it means that the prices may go over this royal semaphore, and the royal semaphore will repaint to the right for the wave 5. Thank you very much for watching.